Good afternoon. We're at the Compton Trailhead today. We're going to hike down to the Hemden Hollow Falls here in Arkansas. It's about, as you can see, a 2.5 mile trip down. It's going to be a steep hill, and then we're going to camp down there so we can gain energy back to climb back up. We're going to try to take a different trail up. I think the Sneeds Creek Trail. It's beautiful. We had a lot of rain the last weekend, so hopefully the creeks are still flowing. It was a cloudy day all day today, but the sun's coming up now, so we're going to enjoy the trail. Come along. Made it to Hemden Hollow Falls, and boy is it flowing. We got the whole place to ourselves. I've never had that before. One of the most popular trails in the Buffalo River area here, but we lucked out. That's the benefits of being able to hike here in the weekdays in January for sure. There's a cool breeze blowing on us. You couldn't ask for better conditions right now. I'm in paradise. Alright, we enjoyed a nice break around the falls here. Before it gets too dark though, we gotta go find us a nice little camp spot. We'll see you when we get there. We just crossed the really cold creek here.
I can feel my feet. I can feel my feet.
I think we're gonna call it a day after that. What do you think?
Let's set up the tent.
About to get the tent set up and then we'll get cooking. we're close here to the Hemden Hollow Falls again. I didn't take video for a while. We lost the trail there at Sneed's Creek. The map showed you just keep following the creek, but there was no trails going, no trail blazes or anything. I've hiked it before. I don't know what happened. But just to be safe, we decided to come back around here on the Hemden Hollow Trail. So we pretty much backtracked everything we've done today. And now we get to go up the steep hike, the steep hill. And yeah, we're not too thrilled about it, but it's still a fun day out in the wilderness, of course. We're trying to get up before it gets dark now. As you can see, we made it to the car. It's dark, we made it back late. It's 6:30 right now. But we're gonna enjoy sleeping in our bed tonight. Having a restful evening on the couch, that's for sure. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this trip. Sorry we couldn't continue the Sneed's Creek Trail, but it was an adventure nonetheless, and we made it back safe, and that's what's important. Till next time.